Hi, my name is Jackson Kibler, and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by Data Meeting. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. Today we will cover applying filters in Tableau. So looking at the Sample Superstore workbook, we can see that there are already a few filters provided for us. We can choose a specific region like East, and when we click it, we can see how on the map and along the other charts and KPIs that we're only looking at the East region now. But what if we want to add our own filter, say like product category? Well, we can navigate to any one of these sheets. We can find product category and just throw it onto the filter shelf. For now, we'll use all. And going back to the same dashboard, we can then click on that same sheet, go over to the filters, and we should now see the category. I would like to make this a multi-select drop-down, and then I would also like to force the user to click the apply button. That way they can click multiple selections and it won't automatically render until they hit the apply button. And let's go ahead and move this up under region. So now we can say only look at office supplies and technology, hit apply, and that impacts the map. Let's say we want to have this impact the whole chart. If we click the drop down, apply to worksheets, selected worksheets, and then we can just select all on this dashboard. And now everything is populated. Go back to all, and that is how you incorporate filters into Tableau dashboard. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. Thanks for watching.